Good morning, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog.
Wait.
We vlog every day.
You're not Sarah?
She's here somewhere.
She's hanging out with kids. We're going for a run.
With this guy.
A 10 mile, 5-minute paced run.
2 mile, 25-minute pace.
I don't know if we showed in yesterday's vlog this during the day, but that's where our fire was last night. Over here was where we heard that creature, if that made it into the vlog. I think we're getting ready now. We're leaving in like 4 or 5 hours. Sarah and I do not have a plan of where we're staying tonight or even how far we're driving, but it's noon and we're not planning on leaving until like 4 or 5, and we're all the way in Michigan, so we'll see if this is a regrettable plan, but we love spending time with the Erharts, and they're gonna show us a little bit of downtown St. Joe, I think, and get some food, and these girlies are being super cute. See if they come back. Wait for it, I hear them. The only issue with these two little ones is I just look at them and they go wild like that. And Carolyn tells me, there's the little one, that she will get revenge when James is born and little.
We're social distancing from them.
Katrina's teaching me what wiki sticks are.
Felix, I got 2 pinks.
Also, I put blame on you and Carolyn for the reason that it's noon. We're probably not leaving until like 5, and we have no plans on where we're staying, so I don't know how far we're driving. We're just gonna drive until we sleep on the side of the road with my 7-month pregnant wife.
The restaurant gave the kids these little
They're called cookie sticks.
goodies.
Yeah.
They're so fun.
That's a good little man. You gotta name him. Share all your fries with him.
Oh, maybe I could just put the fries.
So we're at Silver Harbor Brewing Company, and I was naughty and I ordered what I wanted, and it's something that I've been craving for a really long time. It's a ham and cheese sandwich, but it's beer cheese and it has pickles on it, and so it is what it is. I ordered it. I have been really liking the idea of cooking plant-based at home, and then if I want something at a restaurant, just ordering it, so it's not like a total shock every time I cheat here and there from our plant-based diet. So I don't know.
You want to see the picture? She's showing me how to use these squiggles, these wishtables. And our flights came.
Yeah.
Look at this coolness. This is a maple stout. Cheers, Ben.
Maple grenade. Cheers.
Oh my goodness, look at these cheese curds. I don't know what these sauces are. It looks like ranch. I don't know what
It almost
that
looks
is.
like ketchup, but
Yeah.
it's a mini dipping station.
Yeah.
Alright, our food has arrived. There's Ben's. He has some kind of delicious looking cheese with truffle fries. That was his half Caesar. Can't go to the Midwest without some cheese curds. Here's my Southwest Beyond Burger with no cheese. Avocado looking delicious with some waffle fries. Does that look good?
This is basically the ultimate ham and cheese. Look at all that extra beer cheese. My word.
March and march and march we go. I think we're gonna drop some food off at the car and then we're gonna go explore. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that giant water fixture. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this beautiful setup. There's a little pier over there with a White House and some boats. We're not going swimming today, but this is nice. I'm about to photo shoot at the beach so they can tell the internet that they moved.
Oh, can you see the lighthouse?
found the rest of our clan. We actually threw her in the water. We're at the USS Adventure Ship, and we have scared all the other families away with our unimpending awesomeness. Right? Our awesomeness scared everybody away?
Yeah.
So now we are the kings and queens. High five. Yeah.
We sit and read.
Hey. Hi, Kieran.
Yeah.
Thinks she's gonna come down. Good job. Your brother's there waiting.
Good job. Go, go.
Woo! Yay!
Oh, Kieran Cam. Vlogger. Look at this big kid.
Let go.
Woo!
Anymore. Let go.
Going home. There's the beach, and we're leaving. Getting ready to get back to the house to get ready to go. We're about to say goodbye to these lovely folks. And it's very, very sad. We love them very much. Just don't tell them that.
Alrighty, we are officially on the road.
Been on the road, what, about an hour and a half?
Yeah. Through Indiana, which is different for us.
Never driven down Indiana before.
Yeah, and we should get to Nashville around 11 o'clock.
I'm ready to soak up the last bit of vacation and
Yeah.
get gas that we don't have.
Sneaky snacks.
Snacks, or I should probably get like a Monster or something.
Yeah.
Since we have had a full morning. So I'm looking to stop at a gas station very soon and
I'm gonna get to
stock
editing.
up on some snacks.
So the Earharts shared this Disney Calm playlist with us, and I'm so excited. We're gonna listen to this for a little bit. There's a really pretty sunset going on. We just passed through Indianapolis. Got about 4 more hours on the road. Wait, no, 3. So we were a little bit bamboozled by Nashville because we forgot that Nashville is actually back in Central Time Zone, and so our GPS said 11 o'clock, so we were like, oh my gosh, we're making, like, we cut like an hour off of our time, but in actuality, that was showing the Central Time, which, I mean, it was just an hour difference, but we're gonna get there around midnight, Florida time. Yeah, 11 o'clock their time. So we have like 2.5 hours left, which really isn't bad at all, but we were a little bit bamboozled. We did also just book a hotel, a Hyatt place, just outside the city, and then we'll have like, similar to last time, where like tomorrow's drive will be like just over 9 hours. So we're all organized. Basically, are we out of Indiana yet?
No, not yet.
No.
Very close.
Ooh, I can smell a skunk. But yeah, we're almost out of Indiana, and then Kentucky's short, and then Nashville is pretty far north. So we feel good, like morale-wise, and we have our hotel situated. So now we just gotta get there.
They're behind this building.
Well, there's fireworks apparently going on over here,
To the left.
and over here is Louisville, which, if like exactly almost a year ago, Peter was here for Dom's bachelor party.
Flashbacks.
Yeah, flashbacks. I wish we could go and explore it, because you would always say like,
It was a really cool city.
you would like this, you would like that. Maybe this will be our next
drive
stop
here.
through.
Oh no, wait, that's the rooftop I was on.
Oh my gosh.
The tree.
How do you know?
The Christmas tree. I was on that rooftop.
Wow.
Don't play with us.
I was gonna say, like, I feel like we're 2 zombies. We really hit a wall at an hour out, yeah.
An hour ago, I was like, I feel so good. And then,
Yeah.
creepy.
Okay, all the way at the end. I passed it. This is so much like the hotel we stayed in when we traveled down to Florida for our college program. You're just gonna pass out right away?
We're gonna put on a TV. We're gonna check out the room. So here's our room. Much more than I expected. Got a little couch. This is we can make a fort on. That I can dance on. This I can put all of our stuff in these crevices.
You sign signed a paper that said you wouldn't throw a party.
We got Say Yes to the Dress on the TV. We got this nice bed, comfy with good AC, feng shui, and it's great. All right, we're safe.
Halfway, basically.
Basically.
A little less than halfway.
Gotta get up early though, because we need to get home to Eve, and then apparently there's a hurricane coming through. So we're gonna go straight to bed.
Not truly through Florida, but nearby enough for it'll.
We might get wind. We might get rain and wind.
Yep.
But we gotta go to bed. Gotta get up early.
Get good
If we're
sleep.
lucky, we'll get the complimentary breakfast.
Yeah. It's before, because it's before midnight Central Time, but like we're like right on the cusp.
We're like
of midnight.
5 minutes away from the Eastern time zone. So like,
So we'll
but in
get
the
good
Eastern
sleep.
time zone it's 12:47. Central time zone it's 11:47.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh gosh.
it's late.
It's later than I expected it to be.
It's good to be
It's
home.
good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.